Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Lucy, I'm sorry to tell you this. Your daddy voted for Biden.
I can't help you at the moment, dude. I'm a little indisposed.
Will you be my Valentine?
What? You didn't even know your dad. Yeah. And your mama was a...
You have no balls. You don't.
I think you might be the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Safi, can you go downstairs and tell Daddy to help me fold the laundry, please?
Bro, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
If I let y'all outside, y'all going to sleep in the cage.